Welcome back to the I Want to Learn English Writing Journey for Beginners. In Activity 12, we will focus on sentence development. Follow the steps to create a complete sentence. Start with a simple sentence and add more details to make it longer and more interesting. Follow along in your textbook and write variations of the samples we cover. Step 1. Write a simple sentence. Look at the picture of the woman running. Let's start with a simple sentence about her. Let's write, "The girl runs." Here we simply want to state what is happening. Step 2. Add detail. We know the girl is running, but where is she running to? Let's add a place, a destination in the sentence. Let's write, "The girl runs home." In your textbook, you can write a different location for the girl. Like, for example, "The girl runs in the park." In step 3, we add an adjective. We can use words to describe the girl. What kind of girl is running? Add a word to describe her like tall, happy, tired, young, or athletic, for example. Now, you try. Pause the video now and rewrite the sentence in your textbook and add different adjectives to describe the girl. Okay, now we're up to step 4. Add an adverb. In case you need a review, an adverb describes an action. You can practice adverbs in Appendix 5 of this textbook. Let's answer this question with regard to our sentence. How is the girl running? We know more about the girl, what she looks like and where she is running. Now we need to describe how she is running. Some words to consider are quickly, slowly, and rapidly, for example. We can say, "The tall girl runs home quickly." Okay, now we come to step 5. Write your final sentence. Describe the girl, how the girl is running, where she is running, and how she is running. Pause the video here and write your complete sentence in your textbook. Fantastic! Now we are up to the challenge phase of this activity. Your task is to write a new sentence using boy instead of girl. Add an adjective and adverb to give more detail to your sentence. Pause the video now and write your new sentence in your textbook. Well, looks like you are continuing to make progress. This is something to celebrate. Now, your next task is to do activity 12.1 on your own, which follows the same steps as the activity we just did. When you are done, be sure to share your sentences with your teacher, a classmate, a tutor, or even me. You can always write your sentences in the comment section of this video to get some feedback from me. Also, remember to like this video and share it with others. If you're new to the channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button. Leave us a comment and let us know how we're doing, or if you have a question. I will answer just about anything. Be sure to visit our website at iwtle.com to get up-to-date information about the textbooks and also for articles related to language learning. Until next time, keep practicing your writing skills.